Hello, my dear children. A very good morning to you all. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. Now we are studying the block 1, that is importance of balanced diet. What are the topics we did learn in previous classes? Do you remember? Yes, we learned about food groups, nutrients in food, and we learned the topic balanced diet and food pyramid in yesterday's class. Now tell me, what is balanced diet? I hope you all are studied it well. Let me say, a balanced diet is a food plan that gives us all the nutrients found in food in correct proportions. A balanced diet is a food plan that gives us all the nutrients found in food in correct proportions. Have you remembered the chart? Let's see the chart. We need to eat almost an equal amount of fruit, vegetables, pulses, milk products and meat. And we should eat less amount of fats like sweets and chocolates. This is a balanced diet. Now tell me, what is food pyramid? Yes, a food pyramid tells us how much food from each group we should eat to have a balanced diet. A food pyramid tells us how much food from each group we should eat to have a balanced diet. A food pyramid helps to make a balanced diet. In a food pyramid, we should eat more of the things at the bottom of the food pyramid, such as cereals and grains, bread. And we should eat less of the things at the top of the food pyramid, such as oil, sweets and chocolates, because these all are the fats. It is unhealthy to our body. These all are the topics we discussed yesterday. Shall we move to today's class? Can you tell me why is proper storage and preservation of food important? Have you ever think what happens if preservation of food is not done properly? Some of you says that the preservation helps to save the food from wastage. Let me say, proper storage and preservation of food is important because it protects from getting spoiled. If we do not store the food properly, then food goes waste and also gets spoiled. So, proper storage and preservation of food is very important. All of us need food to survive, so we should not waste food. Many people put their resources to produce food. If food goes waste, then it also implies a wastage of all those resources. This can lead to shortage of food. Today we will learn about some ways to avoid wastage of food. So, today our aim is recommend the ways to avoid wastage of food. recommend the ways to avoid wastage of food is our today's aim. Now open your workbook and take the page number 15. In S4, read the story. Shall we read? It was Manya's birthday. Her parents arranged a small birthday party at home. They invited 10 guests. Everyone in their family was ready to receive the guests. Suddenly, it started raining heavily. Soon they saw Mrs. and Mr. Sharma arriving. After them, only 4 more people could manage to come. All the guests left soon after having dinner. Manya and her family enjoyed the dinner, but there was a lot of leftover food. I hope you all are read the story. Now put the video in pause and find out the ways to avoid the wastage of food. Write it down in your notebooks. I hope you have done. Now see some ways to avoid wastage of food. That is, store food properly to prevent spoilage. Use the food item before they get spoiled. Take the amount of food that you can eat. We should store the food properly. Use the food before they get spoiled, and only the required amount of food we want to eat and finish it. Now tell me, how can we avoid wasting the leftover food? As I told already, we can store the leftover food in a freezer and eat it again later. We can give it to someone who is needy. There are many people in the world who do not get sufficient food to lead a healthy life. So we can give it to those people. We can make some interesting dishes such as sandwiches out of the leftover food. We could pack some food for the guests who are interested to take some of it. Now tell me, how do your parents store raw food bought from the market? Some people store raw foods in fridge. In villages, some people cover the vegetables with wet cloths. So, it keeps the vegetables fresh. How can we prevent the wastage of food? As we discussed already, it should be stored in a proper place, and we should buy only the things that we need. The places and containers in which food is stored should be clean, and we should take only the required amount of food we want to eat and finish it completely to prevent wastage of food. We should not throw the food. Next hot question. How can wastage of food be prevented from the place where it is grown? How can wastage of food be prevented from the place where it is grown? There may be many insects and animals that spoil the food where it is grown. So, how can it be prevented? Can you tell me? Some people sprays medicine on food that prevent from insects. Like that, we should protect the crops from harmful insects and animals. We should protect the crops from harmful insects and animals, and the crops produced should be stored properly. The produced crops should be stored in a proper place. Next, practice questions. In your content book, the 8th question is your today's homework. The question is, soon after the crops were harvested, it rained. What do you think happened to the crops? How could this be avoided? Soon after the crops were harvested, it rained. What do you think happened to the crops? How could this be avoided? If the crops get wetted, that are totally spoiled. So, we immediately shift the crops into a proper storage place. For this question, write your answer in a notebook. Next, bonus question of the day. Today's bonus question is, why is preservation of food important? Why is preservation of food important? Go to the online exam section and answer for the bonus question. Next, worksheet questions. In S4 there are 4 questions. You need to answer the question in your workbook. First question is, why should we not waste food? Why should we not waste food? Read your content book and answer the question. Why should we not waste food? Next question is, how can we avoid wastage of food? How can we avoid wastage of food at a restaurant? How can we avoid wastage of food at a restaurant? And how can we avoid wastage of food at a marriage party? Let's imagine you go to a restaurant. In that place, how can you avoid wastage of food? We already discussed, we should take only the required amount of food we want to eat. So, in that place, what do? Write your answer. Next is, how can we avoid wastage of food at a marriage party? Let's imagine you attend a marriage party with your family. You all are enjoying the party. After the party over, there was a lot of leftover food. In that place, what do? Think and read your content book. After that, answer the question. Next question is, why do you think food packets have use by or best before dates mentioned on them? Why should we use the food by this date? Read the content book carefully and answer the question. Next question is, a farmer sprayed medicine on his crops. How did he help in avoiding wastage of food? A farmer sprayed medicine on his crops. How did he help in avoiding wastage of food? Spraying medicine on crops prevent them from getting spoiled. So, what do you think? How did he help in avoiding wastage of food? Write your answer on workbook. Now, today's class has completed. Do the HOTS question and practice question in your notebook. Do the worksheet questions in your workbook and don't forget to do the bonus question of the day in your online exam section. Write it down your homeworks in your planner and don't forget to get a sign from your parents. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.